Hello and good morning, good afternoon, everybody. How are you all? I hope everybody is fine, safe, and doing well. So yes, a lot of messages have come from last 48 hours. Everybody has some reservations in the exam pattern. Every student is messaging. Even I conducted the Zoom meeting with many students, and I got to know their concerns. And as a member, I am just putting forward all the concerns which I have received. I hope the institute considers some of them which are very much genuine and will help the students accordingly. First thing before giving the suggestions, first is please upload the suggested answer. The exam was over in January 2021. Now we are in August 2021. I seriously don't understand why there is so much delay. Is the institute not having the suggested answer yet? Or is the institute still making the suggested answer? The questions were very difficult. Whatever the case is, I think now 8 9 months are over. So please consider or else communicate that yes, within more 6 months we will upload, because we have emailed a lot many times but still no response is coming, and it is a hard time to. I don't understand what is the exact problem in uploading the suggested answer. 8 months are there, we know the questions are very hard, but I think it won't require so much of time in uploading the suggested answer. So this is first request that should be taken immediately into consideration. This is not something we are asking ki are baap re, it is very normal basic thing. Second is that course fee waiver scheme. This was launched by the institute. We made video. 30,000, 40,000 people watched the video. Everybody appreciated, very good. We also felt very proud as a member. But still, till date, that is 9th of August 2021, there are no guidelines. The notification was incomplete. First thing, the notification didn't mention at all which period is covered, what details need to be submitted, what are the documents that need to be submitted, on which email id it needs to be submitted. So the notification was not complete, it was half, we can say incomplete notification. We request the institute that if it really wants to pass on the benefit to the needy students, please make sure that your guidelines, period, details, email ID, what documents need to be attached is very clear and the guidelines are published. This is the second important thing. Till date, 10th August is the last date. There are few students who want to take admission in CMA. Unfortunately, they lost their mother, father, and it's very hard for them to take admission. Now we are already on 9th of August. So 10th तक तो guideline आएगा नहीं. So already their time will be wasted. So I think 1 month, 2 months back the notification came. Still there is no guideline, period, details, documents. So please accelerate your working. It will help the students. We are at a very slow pace, sorry to say. Now if we talk about exam pattern, there are few concerns which the students have highlighted in the Zoom meeting and in the YouTube comments. Thousands of students have commented when I discussed the pattern, and some of the suggestions I would like to bring forward in front of you so that you implement. The first suggestion is that you are having a lock-in period as displayed on the mock paper, that the section A and section B will have 50 minutes lock-in period. So I would seriously urge the institute that this 50 minutes criteria should not be there. You have already set a criteria that within 3 hours you have to complete this paper, right? Now why are you again setting a timeline कि ये section भी इतने time में करना चाहिए? It will be very harsh for the students to accept it, and I think it is not genuine also, that why 50 minutes timer or criteria is given. Let me have the freedom. मेरे को पहले short note लिखना है, मेरे को पहले numerical solve करना है, कि मेरे को पहले MCQ solve करना है. It should be on me and I should not be time bounded कि इतनी देर में इतना कर. इट शुड बी वेरी ट्रांसपेरेंट एंड फ्री. जब आपको जितना करना है पूरा 3 घंटा आप सिर्फ ए और बी सेक्शन करो. It should be very much transparent, very much, it should not be so much of burden ki you have to do. So my earnest request is, please discard this 50 minutes criteria immediately. It is very harsh and I think it will unnecessarily create pressure on the student. Let them have the choice, the freedom which they want to do. कभी ऐसा होता है MCQs, whatever you ask, I won't be able to solve, so I will move ahead, short note वगैरह करूँगा, then I will come at the end on the MCQ part. So it completely depends on the candidate. So my request is, please discard this timer which is there, or lock-in period, whatever you call. Second thing is, you are asking 20 MCQs in section A and 20 fill in the blanks, true or false, in section B. That is 40 questions you are asking. It will take a lot of time. 40 questions, at least 1 minute or 2 minutes are needed. If you ask suppose numerical question, then it won't be possible to solve within 1 minute the numerical question. Let us only write that yes, the bid rate is this, the ask rate is this, the variance is this, but at least it will need some solving. So my suggestion means whatever students have told me, I am just communicating. Rather than giving 40 questions, you give 10 MCQs of 2 marks, which was the practice, and here also you give 10 questions of 2 marks. You reduce the questions 40 to 20 so that there won't be pressure. 40 question, a lot of pressure is there, and the institute is always following this method. 10 questions of 2 marks MCQs, 10 questions of fill in the blanks or true or false, whatever you want, you can ask us. So that will reduce the pressure on the candidate, and ultimately he will get a little relaxed and will have a time. 20 questions is manageable, 40 questions is not at all manageable. So they are requesting that you cut down to 20 question of 2 marks each. Now section C is mostly, firstly I will talk about section D. So section D is a very good initiative. Case study questions are asked. This is the first time I saw few case studies also. They are well and good, and it will surely test the real concepts of the student. But I would request institute that at least give some booklet of 20-30 case studies, because the study mat is not having any case studies, right? So at least provide some booklet or a supplementary of every subject 10-20, so that the candidate can practice, because this is first time introduced. So let them have some hands on before giving the exam. So I humbly request that if you could provide some booklet of at least 20-30 case studies of each subject, then surely the candidates will feel motivated and will help them to attempt the examination. It will help them and they will have a confidence ki yes, we have practiced. As far as section C is concerned, I would just like to add one point. You already have 10 into 4 ka criteria, 10 marks for each question and 4 questions are there. So there are 4 questions, 1, 2, 3, 4. They may have sub bits. So a request, if you could at least divide one question in, or you convert one question in MCQ or fill up, it will surely help. The candidates may type these 3, and a one question, any question, it can be converted into MCQ or fill in the blank. Or else, as far as law paper is concerned, it is very lengthy. It is next to impossible to complete it within 3 hours by writing each and everything. So at least one question you can divide, because here also section D is having 2 questions which they are writing. Let it be numerical or theory. So these they are already writing. They are already writing these 3 questions also. So if one question is converted into MCQ or fill in the blank or anything else, it will surely help them. One more concern I would like to bring to your notice, that institute has given formats, right? So in the format you have to just type in your answer, but there are some numericals which can be solved by 2 methods. So this format becomes rigid. This format will be given as per the study mat, but if the candidate is using some another method, then he won't be able to fit his answer in this format. If the format is blank, then surely he can fit. But if there are certain things also written and you just have to write the amount, then it will be really very rigid and it won't be possible. So if you could figure out that yes, these questions can be solved by two methods, then you can give a blank format and let the candidate fill whatever he wants to fill in the format, rather than giving a pre-filled format for the questions which they can solve by using two methods. And as far as some SFM thing is concerned, in SFM there are various formulas, there are various symbols of currency and all, and there are various formulas under root के अंदर लिखना पड़ता है सब. So how will the candidate write that under root and then whatever the formula is there? So it is not possible for them to write. So the questions of portfolio and all have weights and everything, x1 w1 and so on. So how will they write? Even in the costing paper, like we write objective function, so the objective function will be 3x1. So how will he write 3x1? It looks like 3x1 plus 3x2. So it looks like multiplication in the model exam which you have released. So any solution for that how he should write 3x1 or x to the power n. So how will he write? He cannot write xn. So these are the things which I think the institute should definitely look upon. These symbols, these formulas, how will they write? And this is it. So these are the few suggestions. I hope the institute takes them in the positive way. These are the suggestions of the candidates who are going to attempt. I took a Zoom meeting with them, I understood their problems, and I am highlighting in front of you. My style is by making video. Also I will send an email also, and I sincerely request the institute to please consider these all genuine issues and act upon in a time bound manner. This is it. Thank you so much to all the students. Keep on studying. All the best. Do not worry. We definitely hope and pray that these genuine concerns which are there will surely be addressed by the institute. I would just request that don't just stop your studies. Syllabus वैसा ही है, एग्जाम भी वैसी ही है, just the formats and all are there. Practice a little typing. Yes, I can understand बहुत ज़्यादा है, that's why I gave some suggestions, and I hope that by considering this suggestion your pressure of typing and all will be reduced to some extent. So this is it. Thank you so much. All the very best. Take care. Bye bye.